Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an artist or musician looking to get a Google Knowledge Panel, the box that appears when you search for famous artists, then this video is for you. I'll break down step by step how to qualify for one. Let's get started. Step 1, get your music on streaming platforms. One of the most important things Google looks at is whether your music is available on major streaming platforms. So make sure your music is on Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, YouTube Music, Tidal, and more. To get your music on these platforms, you'll need a music distributor. Here are some options to choose from. CD Baby. This is a one-time payment model, meaning you only pay once instead of a subscription. It costs $9.99 per single or album with no yearly fees. With CD Baby, you also get distribution to 150 plus platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok. Monetization with YouTube Content ID. Your music on Shazam and Jacksta. FastPass verification for major streaming services. A free UPC barcode and ISRC codes. DistroKid works on a subscription model starting at $1.92 per month with unlimited uploads. DistroKid offers different plans. These include Musician, $1.92 per month, Musician Plus, $3.33 per month, Ultimate, $7.50 per month. With the Musician plan, you get unlimited song uploads, your lyrics in Google and more, a Spotify verified checkmark, royalty splits for collaborations, access to the DistroKid mobile app. If you're just starting out, I'd recommend this plan. TuneCore offers a free plan, but it only distributes to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. For full distribution, paid plans start at $22.999 per year. Take your time to compare these distributors and pick the one that works best for you. Step 2, get listed in music databases. Google pulls data from various music databases to enhance the accuracy of the knowledge panel. To boost your chances, make sure you're listed on platforms like MusicBrainz, Discogs, Rate Your Music, Genius, AllMusic, and more. Some of these sites allow you to submit your profile directly, while others might require submission through a label or fan. So it's important to claim or create your artist profile wherever possible to ensure visibility. Step 3, create wiki pages and public profiles. Besides streaming platforms and music databases, Google also pulls information from wiki-based websites. Here are some important ones. Wikipedia. This is the strongest source for Google, but getting listed is not easy. To qualify for Wikipedia, you need multiple credible sources writing about you. These should be articles from major media outlets, not just blogs or personal websites. EverybodyWiki, a great alternative to Wikipedia and much easier to get listed on. PeoplePill, another good alternative, especially for new artists. Wikidata, this connects directly to Google's system and improves your chances of getting a knowledge panel. If you don't have a Wikipedia page yet, start with smaller platforms like EverybodyWiki or PeoplePill and work your way up. Step 4, claim your knowledge panel. Once your panel appears, you'll need to claim it to gain full control over your information. First, search for your artist name on Google. If a knowledge panel appears, scroll down and click Claim this knowledge panel. Sign in with your official Google account. Provide verification, such as links to your social media or music platforms. Once verified, you'll be able to update your panel details anytime. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll increase your chances of getting a Google Knowledge Panel as an artist. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more music industry tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.